Hey guys, this is gonna be my first opening pack video. I got a Legends Awakening pack today. I haven't gotten a pack in a really long time, and I kind of wanted Legends Awakening because I've been getting other packs instead, and I really wanted these instead. So yeah, this is one of my favorite sets. So yeah, let's get opening. You know what? Okay. Alright, let's see what I got. The first card is Technical Machine TS2. Not bad. Piloswine? Piloswine, yeah. Next card. Unknown V. Next card. Ooh, it's a rare Lopunny. Oh, that's pretty sweet. No, that's not that bad. I mean, I want a holographic or something, but it's okay. Yeah, it's a rare, so. Next card. Holy crap, a Deoxys. Oh, that's freaking sweet. Reverse Holo. That's nice. That's really nice right there. Wow. Yeah, this is awesome. Alright. A Spoink. Ladybug. I'm getting a bunch of doubles here. Ooh, a Staryu. Sweet. Love Staryu. And Poochyena, yeah. And last card is ooh, nice, a Hitmonlee. That's pretty nice. Yeah. So hold on a second. Okay, let's see. Okay, my two rare ones are Deoxys, normal form. Reverse Holo Foil. Pretty sweet. And Lopunny. Yeah. Not bad. I wanted maybe another rare holo, but that's fine. Pretty nice Deoxys. Yep. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll have some more pack opening videos soon, so yeah. Subscribe, add me as a friend, and stay tuned.